Meet Zion, my little helper.
Ate, tukoy mo
Zion
ang
loves
tapit ni
dressing
Dada.
up like his big sister Dada. Isn't he adorable? But what's even more amazing, Zion cleans up after
Ewan ko ba?
himself. and
Lagay
his
mo lang dyan eh.
siblings. He puts away boys and books in
Sige,
their
lagay mo na
places,
dyan.
and even takes out the trash with Dad's help. What a big boy.
Punda man ata yan eh.
Zion learned that cleaning up is everyone's
Singit mo lang
job.
yan, punda lang
He
man
wants
ata
you
yan
to
eh.
be a helper like him. So kids, let's
Sige,
follow
ayusin.
Zion's lead. Put away your toys after playtime. Help Mom and Dad with simple chores. And keep our earth clean, recycle, and throw trash away properly. Be a Zion, be a helper, and make a difference. What will you do today to help your family?
Baka meron
Thanks
pa.
for watching. Please finish the video, and please subscribe for more Zion and family updates regularly.
Mga
Bye.
baril mo, iligpit mo na.
Kalat yan dyan oh. Ang daming kalat oh. Ligpit mo, pati yung takip ng basura no. Oh, madumi yan. Doon lagay mo sa basuran. Yan yung mga laruan mo.
Balik na nga ako.
Bakit nabali naman?
Natahiga mo nga.
Na?
Tahiga mo.
Sino nagkahiga?
Ikaw.
Ako? Kailan?
Dati.